Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video tutorial. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to install a Flutter script directly from this amazing website called codecanyon.net. So what you want to go ahead to do first is to type in codecanyon.net into your browser, and it's going to pop up on this website, and you can just go ahead to search your preferred script. So what am I going to be walking you through today? I'm going to be showing you how to install this script and also install the necessary tools in order to start running Flutter in your local machine, which is like your system. Alright, so let's get started with it. Today we're going to be looking at Academy LMS Instructor Flutter mobile application. So this is like a learning kind of application written in Flutter. You just want to go ahead to read a little bit about this script and know how it works, know the features of this script and what we need to get started. So once that is done, you just want to go ahead to click on this add to cart. Now add to cart is just going to add the script cart in order to begin your purchase procedure. So this is a $35 script. You just want to go ahead and click on this go to checkout. So once you click on go to checkout, it's going to navigate you to the screen where you get to add your payment details in order to purchase the script successfully. Now for this video's sake, we are not going to be clicking on this go to checkout. We are not going to be going to checkout today because we've already purchased the script and we don't want to do that the second time. So but it's a straightforward process. You just have to click on checkout and add your required credentials, and then you begin your purchase method. Alright, so having purchased your Flutter script, the first thing you want to get downloaded is your Flutter SDK. So Flutter SDK is going to help you to run this script in your local machine. So what you want to go ahead to do is go to Flutter's official documentation, which can be found in docs.flutter.dev/get started. Here in get started, you just want to go ahead to choose your preferred development platform, which is more like your operating system. So we're using a Windows for this tutorial, so I'm just going to go ahead to select Windows for my current device. So once you've selected your operating system, the next thing you want to do is to choose your first application. So this Academy LMS Instructor application is an Android application. So I'm just going to go ahead to select Android, which is the recommended option to select. So once that is done, the next thing I want to do is to verify my system requirements. This is going to help me to ensure that Flutter can base in my system, right? So I'm going to be confirming what they had here. So I'm going to be confirming both the hardware and software requirements and verify that it works perfectly fine. So go ahead to read documentation, make sure that your system meets the requirement and your operating system is also good. So once that is done, you just want to go down here and you're going to see it's called Flutter SDK. So what you want to do is to so the first option here says download the full installation bundle. This is Flutter 3.29.2 and this is the stable version of Flutter. So what you want to go ahead to do is to click on this button to begin the download process, and the next thing you want to go ahead to do is to create a folder where you can extract the installed SDK into. Most preferably you want this folder to be in your C directory so that it can be accessible anywhere in your system. And so once you create that folder, just extract the installed Flutter SDK into this new folder that you just created. So that is what the first step here says. And the next option that we have here is to update your Windows path variable. So what you're going to be doing here is to go into your environment variable and ensure that you add your Flutter bin. So redirect to dev.flutter and then bin, and then add it to your environment variables, and then you're good to go. So once that is done, we have the next tool to download, which is Android Studio. So Android Studio is the official IDE for Android app development, and the way to get in here is to go to your browser and you're just going to say developer.android.com/studio. You're going to be redirected to this website where you see the Android Studio download button down here. So what you want to do the first time is to go ahead to read the release notes, understand a little bit more about Android Studio, the features, and what is currently existing right now, and what was existing in the previous version. So just read a little bit about the documentation of Android Studio, and then you can click on this button. So the current version of Android Studio is Android Studio Megas, and once you click on this button, you're going to be seeing a pop-up where you get to read terms and conditions needed in order to start using Android Studio on your local machine. So do well to read these documentations and these terms and conditions properly, and once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead to click on this checkbox that is saying okay, you read and read the terms and conditions stated above. So once that is done, you want to go ahead and click on this button here where you have to download Android Studio Maker 2024, and just click on it and your download process should begin immediately. So the final thing that we want to go ahead to install into our system right now is Visual Studio. Visual Studio is an IDE on its own, and you can run your Flutter application comfortably using Visual Studio. So the way to get into this is to go to your browser and enter code.visualstudio.com/download, where you're going to be redirected to this site, and you can see 4 different options in order to install your Visual Studio into your local machine. So because we're using Windows, we're just going to be selecting this first option where we have Windows down here. So once you select this, you want to go ahead to click on it, and then the download is going to automatically begin. And yeah, those are the 3 things that we need to download. And once you're done downloading them, go ahead to install them into your local machine. The process is simple, it's straightforward, so just follow the prompts that's going to be coming up, and then you're good to go. Alright, so finally you want to locate your install Flutter script. So this is our Flutter script that is here, and you just want to go ahead to find it and open it into your Android Studio or Visual Studio. So for this video we're using Visual Studio. This is how the IDE looks like, and you just want to go ahead and run it. So once you run it, you just have to connect your emulator if it's got right. So I'm going to be doing that now. Just connected it, and this is my emulator, and the app just ran. So this is where you're going to be saying, and you just want to go ahead to click on sign in. So this is our application, this is how it looks like, and yeah, so that is how to install a Flutter script directly from codecameo.net. Thank you very much, and see you next time.